Property Owner Files, Season 10, Episode 1, The Mold Disaster That Cost $25,000, Part 1. Horror Story. A landlord walked into one of his rental properties expecting a routine inspection. Instead, he opened the door to a nightmare. The smell hit first. Strong, damp, unmistakable. Within minutes, it became clear. This wasn't a small issue. Black mold had spread across the walls, ceilings, and behind furniture. The tenant had reported a small leak months earlier, but nothing was followed up. No inspection was done, and no system was in place to verify the problem. What started as a minor maintenance issue turned into over $25,000 in property damages. Walls had to be removed, flooring replaced, entire sections of the house treated. The tenant moved out. The property sat vacant. Income stopped. This is one of those landlord horror stories that doesn't come from bad tenants alone. It comes from missed systems in property management. And it happens more often in real estate than most landlords want to admit. Welcome to Property Owner Files. If you're involved in rental property investing, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share, because these tenant horror stories are how most landlords learn too late. Part 2. How it was resolved. The first step wasn't repair, it was containment. A professional mold remediation team was brought in immediately. The affected areas were isolated to prevent further spread. Drywall was removed. Moisture levels were tested. Air quality was assessed. This wasn't just cosmetic damage, it was a health risk. At the same time, the landlord began documenting everything. Photos, reports, contractor estimates. Because situations like this often lead to insurance claims or legal issues depending on tenant communication and lease agreements. The repair process took weeks. The unit remained offline, costing additional rental income. After remediation, the property had to be rebuilt. Walls, flooring, and ventilation improvements added to prevent future infestation issues. This is where many landlords underestimate the true cost of property damages. It's not just repairs. It's lost time, lost rent, and long-term risk. In the end, the property was restored. But the real lesson wasn't in the fix. It was in what failed before the damage ever started. Part 3. How to avoid this. This wasn't a mold problem. It was a system failure in property management. Assertive landlords don't rely on tenant reports alone. They build inspection systems. Here's how this gets avoided. First, scheduled inspections. Every 3 to 6 months, no exceptions. Small issues like leaks are caught early before they turn into major damages. Second, maintenance verification. If a tenant reports a problem, it doesn't sit in a message thread. It gets confirmed, documented, and resolved quickly. Third, clear tenant communication systems. Tenants must understand what qualifies as urgent. Water issues are always urgent. No delays. Fourth, property management tools. Tracking maintenance, communication, and inspections ensures nothing slips through. Most rental property mistakes happen when landlords assume everything is fine. In real estate, silence doesn't mean safety. It often means something is being missed. This is why experienced landlords rely on systems, not memory. Part 4. Closing inspiration. Real estate will test every landlord at some point. But these tenant horror stories don't define the outcome. Systems do. With the right structure, property ownership becomes predictable, stable, and profitable over time. If you want to avoid mistakes like this and protect your rental properties, don't forget to purchase the landlord bundles tagged in this video. They're designed to help you build the systems most landlords miss, because in rental property investing, the difference between chaos and control is preparation. This is Property Owner Files.